Today we're using the 16 by 32 RGB matrix again with the Adafruit Matrix Portal M4, but this time we're not just pulling data with an API call, we're turning it into a web server. This means we can display a clock, custom messages, or anything we want controlled by HTTP requests from your phone or computer. If you watched my previous Matrix Portal video, you're already set up. You should have CircuitPython installed, your matrix wired correctly, and your settings.toml created. You can download the exact code.py I'm using from my GitHub repo. Copy that code into your Matrix Portal drive. Add these required libraries. If you followed my last video, you probably already have some of them. We're just adding the web server related ones and anything else missing. The only thing you may need to edit is display width and height. Save everything and the Matrix Portal should reboot. Once it connects to Wi-Fi, it should print the IP address in the serial console. I'll show you how to get that IP. To get serial output from the Matrix Portal, we can run this command, which I will leave in the description. Make sure that this COM number is updated. Go to Devices, find Ports, and you should see this as long as your device is plugged in. So change it to this COM number and run this command. You can say Control-C to quit anything and Control-D to do a soft reboot. See that it's connecting now, and here's the IP that we'll use to connect to it. Let's do a quick demo of how this works. Just plug it in. It's kind of slow at first, but so I like to give it a request pretty quickly, just to show how to show a custom message. And it updates. It's pretty cool. You could set this to whatever. You could have other devices setting it. It's just an HTTP call. So, and let's set it back to clock. This is the slowest part, but oh, it's working. All right. So now you can push custom messages, alerts, or data to the Matrix from anything on your network. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you'd build with it.